guys, welcome back to the channel Color Spirit. I'm Bhagishri. Today's video is a special video which you have never done before on this channel. It's a kind of unboxing video. I bought a mini sewing machine. Actually, I really want to buy this for a long time, but I was doubtful about the quality, whether it will function or not. And finally, after a lot of research, I found a good one. I bought this from Amazon. The Classic Pro sewing machine comes with the table, foot pedal, adapter and sewing kit. If you want to buy this, just click the link in below. And sewing machine without sewing kit also are available. You can check them on Amazon. Then I'm going to show you the full tutorial of this sewing machine. Let's unbox. Before that, if you're first time on this channel, please consider subscribing. If you want to buy this, just click the link given below. And if you still have any doubts or want more videos related to this, you can share it in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.